YouTube. All right, YouTube. You can see we ended up passing. We got max allocated last night. I'm gonna go up to our PA accounts so you don't have to worry about those. But again, just so you can see real quick, so you know, like we passed the last three. The first attempt we did. I posted on my Instagram if you want to go watch. Let me move this to the side for you. All right, right now we're opening up. Market open. Hold on, let me go live on TikTok. All right, market open. Higher time frame. We could see we have this daily bearish fair value gap above that I want to see get filled. My bias for the day, I had two biases. I want to see if we can either manipulate lower, right? So we'll go to the 4 hour. We can see we're on a uptrend. 4 hour bullish on NASDAQ. Hourly, we broke structure to the upside. We're bullish too, right? So overall trend is bullish. I want to see if we can come fill in this daily fair value gap above. So I either want to see manipulation down, if we could take out some of these lows, and then we could continue up, target these hourly highs. Wing Wong in the Discord pointed out that we had this hourly high that NASDAQ took out. ES didn't yet, so we formed a 5-minute S&T off of it. We scaled onto the 5-minute time frame. We have a 15-minute fair value gap here. It looks like NASDAQ is coming down into it. We also have these 5-minute lows down here also that NASDAQ just swept out. So just going to keep an eye on it. Maybe we could fill in this 15-minute and continue higher. That would be nice. And we swept out this 5-minute low. And this 15-minute low. We'll see. We'll see. I don't like taking entries right off market open too, so it looks like NASDAQ, ES is going to come up and take out these highs, so we'll see. TikTok, you still can't see my screen record. Can't see my display. Can't see my display capture yet, so I'll just be talking. Cool. We'll pin that right there. Nice. Awesome. Great. Nice to have you. All right, baby. Let's get this party started. I really don't want to get onto the 1 minute yet. What would be even nicer if we could come take out this 15-minute low on NASDAQ and form another S&T to the upside. That would make me more comfortable to take a trade right now. Because ES is still just hovering around the top. It's just consolidating right now. All right, I'm going to do one more check. Copy traders on. Work smart group, right? Yep. We're on micros. So we don't fuck up. All right. Yeah, again, people who are joining on TikTok, I pinned the comment. You can't see my display screen yet for trading. So, again, if you want to trade with us, just come join the Discord for free. That's all I'm going to say. They still didn't approve me yet. So, you know. respecting this 15-minute fair value gap. When we came down, we took out that 5-minute low. So I'm gonna pay attention to this. I'm not gonna just enter off a break of structure though. Nasdaq already took out both of these highs. So I wouldn't expect a reaction off of it. I just had this one high at 9 a.m. So at 9 a.m. we already took out this high on Nasdaq. Wow, that's just hot. What did she say? My psychology is pretty good most of the years. I think I must have worked on that. I do have some. You're always gonna have something to work on, Pluto. I'm just gonna be honest with you. Yeah, I've gotten 5 or 6 years. My econ teacher doesn't think I'm gonna make it big, guys. Fuck what your econ teacher says. No offense. Hopefully they're not listening, but it's alright, dude. That's silly. Nah, dude, you got a dream. Fucking follow it. Who gives a shit what anybody says. As long as it's not like you want to become like something, I don't know. Again, if you got your own dream, just chase it at the end of the day. I was gonna say like a porn star or something, but you do you at the end of the day. I don't recommend that, but stick with trading. I wish to be addicted. We were talking about credit and credit card maxes, and I asked her about cards without maxes, and she said they don't exist. Yeah, it's because she doesn't have one. Ask her what what is it called, a Platinum American Express or something like that. Julian Petroulis has one. It's not like max. Again, it's got to have like, I think it has like 100 million on it though. But that's like, he goes into a shop in one of his YouTube videos and just buys the Rolls Royce for 500 grand. Just gives him the credit card. He goes, "Do you take a credit card?" And he just gives it to him, and it just works. Yeah. I don't know. Just be respectful at the end of the day. Not everybody's gonna understand you, especially small-minded people. You can't force them to. Most people don't understand trading either. Just be respectful, and you know the truth at the end of the day of what you're chasing. That's the advice I gotta give. Always be respectful, though. Unless it's Wing Wong, then you can be mean. And we gonna make you lose your mind. We're respecting this 15-minute on NASDAQ. I like this candle closure that's going to happen if we can. I'm going to still pay attention to the 1 minute right now. But I'm going to stay patient. ES came up and took out that high, so we could still have a little bit of a bearish reaction off of it. And what I want to see right now also is if we form a 5-minute S&T off of this, because ES came up and took out these highs. Took out this high too. Is that a 15-minute high? It did, yeah. It took out this high. They just that's at 9:30. At 9:30 did come take it out, but. Dude, someone commented on my YouTube channel, and I posted the video of like, cause again it says I take 30 trades like on my like TradeZella. Cause again I have 17 accounts right now, and then look, it's like, but it says like I took like 34 trades, and at the end of the video I explain it. I'm like, it says I took 34 trades, but for the people who are like, it means I took 2 trades, but the kid just instantly commented. He goes, 34 trades. How do you even manage yourself? I was just like, dude, watch the full video. Like, and the last part is specifically for people like you. I buy another even on full port. Dude, I can't believe they're $37 and $40 activation fee. It's the cheapest they've ever been. I'm going to post it again. Oh, shit. Discord. And on my Instagram. Chris Mercer joined my TikTok. Dude's got rainbow chart colors. Oh, Mr. I shouldn't say your name. Well, probably. At the end of the day, you're fine. Whatever. We don't have crazy amount of people in here. Guys, I'm gonna do I gotta do the giveaway too. So you guys can answer right now. Giveaway. Answer the giveaway. Answer the giveaway. Yeah, I want to see if like, we're about to form a 5-minute S&T off of this 15-minute high. But I really want to see if NASDAQ wants to come down and take out this 15-minute low. Because look, it's all the way down here on ES, dude. 825, 825. And then form a 5-minute S&T off of that. But we could continue just dumping down lower. But again, I'm not trading this price action right now. Because if we look at the 1-minute time frame, it's just consolidation. Right? I'm not just going to take a guess on where the market's going to go. I want to see a manipulation leg or something like that, which we might get here. Let's see. Are we going to form that 5-minute? Oh, we might not. Look at this. I'm going to put some music on. Is that fine, guys? Do you care? I don't want anybody to get in trouble if they're in school, too. Broke structure on the 1-minute. I want to see this 5-minute candle close. It's got 50 seconds on it. I want to see if we form a 5-minute S&T. Bluetooth connected. Ten seconds. All right, we didn't form it. Wanna go out? Yeah, I don't like what we're doing right now. I'm gonna sit on my hands. Now we came back down inverse this 1 minute. I mean, I don't want to force an entry here. 53 points. Now I'm gonna wait. I want more confirmation. Wow, we made 16 cents on TikTok, guys. Rich. About to break back above. Let's see. Oh, there we go. If you want me, better sing my song. You bastards. You bastards. First TP schmacker. These hesitations. These hesitations on these trades, man. I want that hourly high, though. Really do. Come on. Come on, fill it good for me. Fill it nice. Fill it nice for me. Fill it nice for me. $65-point stop, though, is crazy. $11 on ES, dude. 50-point stop. That's 260 with just 2 micros, bro. $200 on if we do it below this low. We would have been stopped out at break even regardless on this trade, so still waiting. Wow. Alright, I'm gonna enter in 1 here. I think I'm gonna enter in 1 here. I entered in 2. We'll see. We'll see. We should be continuing up higher here. We'll see. Where's my stop? At 184. Where's 84? $184. I'm gonna target this 1 hour high. Where's a 1 to 1? First take profit to be at 310. We do have news in 10 minutes though too that I don't like. Which I don't like. So we'll see. 361. Holy shit. If we inverse this 1 minute, we're gonna get schmacked. But if we can respect it, it'd be nice. And if we inverse it, we're gonna get schmacked. But let's see if we can hold it or not. I want to hold this. See if we get schmacked or not. We're gonna trust this. This should be my break even right here. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna move this. Instead of moving that to break even, I'm gonna move it below this low. That's what I'll do. So I have it at this low right now. But I'm gonna pay attention to that. I don't like how we're hesitating to come up here. I want to pay attention to this hourly, this daily fair value gap also when we tap into it. So we'll see. We'll see. See if we continue up here. NASDAQ took this high, ES didn't. Come on. Come on. Whenever we enter trades, dude, just move so slow. Just move so slow. No, we formed a 1 minute S&T. Poop bucket. I'm still holding. I don't like that though. The only thing I don't want to, I want to see what happens when news drops. It's the only thing, because we do have home sales. What would this be? This is 71 points, dude. 304. Alright, we took that high. I'm gonna move my stop loss up. We took that high. Alright, I'm going to secure one here and let this last runner run. I'm going to put my stop a little bit below this low now. Right here. Because I wanted to take one here because we came to the daily fair value gap. So that's going to be my TP1 because it's still a 50-point trade. So let's see here. Let's see here. And we have news coming out, so I want to see all these 5-minute highs. We came into that daily fair value gap though, guys. This is a part where we can react off of. So, see, we could get a big reaction off of here. Let's see if we continue up. News coming out soon too. 26 is my stop. Right under this low. $8.20 could we put our stop at? Let's see, $8.20. Wouldn't be bad. We took that high, so let's see. I'm gonna let this runner run. Regardless, we've locked in some. We've locked in like $50 or some shit per account. But I just don't. We got news dropping in 2 minutes. That's it. That's what I don't like. And even though it's home sales, but again, I'm gonna hold this. We'll see what happens. But we did come into that daily. I think we can at least come into that hourly. But again, I'm going to target this 5-minute high. Let's see what we get. We locked in $94 per account regardless. So I'm gonna cut my trade to break even right now, guys, just cause news. That's it. It's the reason why. I don't want to freaking get stopped out way lower. Oh my God. I might just take this, dog. We're at 64 points right now. Come on, bruh. We're just in this daily fair value gap. That's why I don't like it. I'm going to put it at 305. Right there, because then that'll be a what? This was our trade. Still a 1 to 8. I'm going to put it at 305. And I'm going to hold that. Just because we're in that daily fair value gap. That's the only reason why. Again, we could come take out that hourly, but we're looking pretty good right now. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Tag us out. Tag us out. Come on. Tag us out.
If you're a solo creator who's still manually editing all of your short form clips, you need...
We're close. Oh my God. Come on. No! You're joking! Don't you dare! Don't you dare! Don't you dare! I'll be mad at you. Don't you dare. No. Come on, get your ass back up there, motherfucker. Get your ass back up there. No, you better get your ass back up there.
You need to check out this new AI that can do that for you.
You're getting your ass back up there, dude. Oh my God, dude. We were up 3.4K on that one. Let's see if we get stopped out at break even. You're joking. Look at this volatility. It's crazy. Oh my God, dude. Look at this volatility. Come on. I have it at 303 now, right here. Let's go, NASDAQ. Come on. Let's go, NASDAQ. This price action, dude. Up, up, up. Did news come out bullish too? Yeah, it did. Guys. Every time I hold it. You sold it, Wing Long? Good job. Every time I hold it, this shit does this to me. I'm telling you. Oh my God. I didn't get tagged out? What the fuck? I got tagged out, dog. That's crazy, dog. That's crazy, dog. Well, we got stopped out at break even. These bastards, man, they always watch me. Excuse me. Well, we made $70 per account. I was up $200 per account. So we still made 70 times 17. We still made 1.2K. But we were up $200 per account at one point. Oh my God, look at that dump. That's why we set break even, ladies. Holy shit. When I had my break even too, I accidentally didn't take off my second stop loss. So it re-entered me in and then I instantly took it back out. But that's why we have break even. But see, I told you, that daily fair value gap. That's why I was being hesitant with it. But we freaking got edged, dude. I had it at 303. Only one micro said TP of the day. I held till there. Yeah, no. Again, that was a good trade. Again, I said I was working on my letting it run. And it's just every time I do it, I swear, it just freaking doesn't go my way. But again, that's part of trading. We're going to still work on running. It was still a winner regardless. Again, we hit our first take profit at the daily fair value gap, the start of it. That's why I did it. And then I wanted it to run all the way to that hourly, but the way it was reacting, I just wanted to set it right here for a 1 to 2. It would have been a 1 to 2, let's see. Or like a 1 to 8 or something like that. We had it at this low. Yeah, it would have been a 1 to 8 where we got it. But 67 points. We still hit 50 points on first take profit, right? Yeah, we still had 50 points. Second take profit didn't hit, but it's all good. It's all good. It's all good. YouTube, you saw that. We'll cut it here. Another break-even day. But we trusted the trade. There's really not much more you could say on that. Again, we did our job. We took our first take profit, and then we let that baby do its thing. Let's resync it here so you guys could see it also. Resync. Yeah, we still made 1.2K today. I don't know why it says 34 trades. I don't know why it says that. Oh, it's because we did yeah, we had that accidental short here where we lost $21 on accident. So we were up $91 per account, and then I got re-entered into the trade. Look, I'll show you guys. Can you guys see this or no? I don't know if you guys can see that. Yeah, I accidentally didn't have my stop loss at 1. I accidentally still had 2 sell limit orders. And it got tagged in. So again, we still made $70 per account, which is okay. So, well, I consider that a dub today. We still made 1.2. Could have been a bigger day, but there's really nothing we could do on that one. We got stopped at break even. So we still made 1.2 today. We were up to 3.4, which was nice. But again, we trusted the trade. All right, YouTube, we're going to cut that out there. I'll post this up, and yeah, another break-even day. I've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 break-even days this month. So again, nothing you can do. So, all right, I'm gonna be back, yo. I got a different trades. All right, sounds good. We're gonna cut it anyway, probably. If you guys answered the chat, answer it. But yeah, another break-even day. TikTok, peace out, adios. Discord, Wing Wong. We let it run. But it didn't do its thing. We let it run, baby. You went in 1, right? Because there's a little bit more risk on that one. Yeah, did you take that 1 take profit of the start of the daily? Yeah. Yeah, that was a good first take profit. That's good. I like that too. It was a 50-point trade again. I might have gotten a little bit greedy. Where was that 5-minute high I had it? We had a couple 5-minute highs right here. See, maybe I should have took it right there off that 5-minute high. Did we hit that 5-minute high? Ah, we did. It's all right. It's all right. Maybe I should have had it here. Like this. Still would have been a 1 to 6. But, I mean, we let it do its thing. I think I got out with like a 1 to 0.2, which is long. That's more than 1. Okay, yeah. Again, I'm just trying not to let it get into my brain of where I was. That's the only thing. Because, again, I was up to... $200 per account. But, again, it is what it is. It's going to test me right now. Markets are going to test you. All my accounts are back up to 50,000, which is nice. Because, again, we had those new ones yesterday. Those new ones at the beginning of last week or something like that. The one was down to like 47,000, but now it's back up to 50,000, which is good. But, again, I don't even want to pay attention to these. But it's going to be good now that we activate the next ones. Because, again, they'll all be even with each other, so... Same. Yeah. Yeah, so it'll be good. It'll be good. Again, I said I was gonna work on letting my trades run, right? Didn't I? So it just didn't play out again. That's why we set it to break even. I should have made more though. I should have made $20 more per account, but I forgot that freaking other limit order. Like a So it's all good. It's all good. Yeah, we secured some profit. It was a win. Regardless, we hit our first take profit for 50 points and then went from there. All right, Wingy. YouTube, peace out. All right, we'll get to post it up.